Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva to create a newsletter. First, navigate to Canva's homepage and use the search bar to find Newsletter Templates. You will discover thousands of professionally designed options. Take your time to browse and select a template that perfectly matches your brand's aesthetic and the type of content you plan to share. This initial step is crucial for setting the right tone. Once you have chosen a template, it is time to make it your own. Easily replace all placeholder text with your compelling headlines and informative body copy. Upload your company's logo, high-quality images, and any other visual elements that represent your brand. Experiment with Canva's extensive color palette and font library to ensure your newsletter perfectly reflects your brand identity. To make your newsletter truly stand out, add engaging content beyond just text. Canva offers a vast library of stock photos, icons, and graphics that you can easily integrate. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop feature to arrange these elements, creating a visually appealing and balanced layout. Aim for clear sections and ample white space to enhance readability and keep your audience captivated. Before sharing your masterpiece, take a moment to thoroughly proofread all text for any errors. Once satisfied, download your newsletter in your preferred format, such as a high-quality PDF for email distribution or a JPG for social media. Canva makes it simple to share your professional newsletter directly with your audience, reaching hundreds or even thousands of subscribers effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.